section formula. What is section formula? Coordinates of the point PXY which divides the line segment joining the points A with coordinates x1, y1 and B with coordinates x2, y2 in the ratio of m1 and m2. x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 and m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So using this formula we can find out coordinates of the point P. So there is one special case. Suppose the point is dividing, which is midpoint, means it is dividing in the ratio 1:1. So it will become 1 into x2 plus 1 into x1 upon 1 plus 1, 1 into y2 plus 1 into y1 upon 1 plus 1. So that means x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y1 plus y2 upon 2. But this is only for the special case. So using this we can solve the examples. So we can use this section formula for solving the examples. So let's see few examples. First is find the coordinates of a point which divides the join of points -1, 7 and second point is 4, -3 in the ratio of 2:3. In the ratio of 2:3. Now see, let us assume this point as A and this point as B. Okay friends. So let us find out, we have to find out the coordinates of the point which is dividing this line segment. So let us assume that point as P, X and Y. So X and Y are the coordinates and we have to find out those X and Y. Now what is X then? Using the section formula, X will be 2 into 4. So I will write it in bracket, 2 into 4 m1 and x2, correct, plus m2 and x1, perfect. m2 is 3 and x1 is -1 upon m1 plus m2, that means 2 plus 3. So what it is? 2 4s are 8, 8 minus 3 is 5 upon 5 is equal to 1. So y is what friends? 2 into -3, that means m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So 2 3s are -6 plus 21 is what? 15. 15 upon 5, that is 3. So P13 is our required point. Let's take one more example. Find the coordinates of the points which divides the line segment joining points A -2, 2 and point B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. So let us assume A and B is this is segment. The points are given -2, 2 and 2, 8. And let's assume these P, Q and R. These are the 3 points which are making the 4 equal parts. So let's assume that P is x1, y1, Q is x2, y2 and R is x3, y3. Now see friends, by using the special case, we have seen the section formula's special case which is at the midpoint or divides the line segment into ratio 1:1. So let us first find out point Q. So how we can find x2 is equal to, now this is x1 plus x2, that means -2 plus 2 upon 2, that is 0, and y2 is what? 2 plus 8. 2 plus 8 upon 2, that is 10 upon 2 is 5. So we have find out point Q as 0 and 5. Okay, I have written this with the another pen so that it will be clear. Now we have found, we know the point A and now we found out the point Q also. So P is again at the equidistance. P is dividing segment AQ into 2 equal parts. So again for finding out P, x1 will be what? Yes, x1 is -2 plus 0 upon 2, that means -1. and 2 plus 5 upon 2, that means 7 by 2. So what we found out as a point P is nothing but minus 1 and 7 by 2. And for same thing, we can find out R is also dividing segment QB into 2 equal parts. So again, these are the x1, y1, we found out P, and again we'll find out x3 and y3. It's very easy, right friends? You are enjoying? Yes, very good. So x3 is what? 0 plus 2 upon 2, that means 2 by 2 is 1, and 5 plus 8 upon 2, that means 13 by 2. That means point R is what friends? Yes, 1 and 13 by 2. So these are the 3 required points which divides segment AB into 4 equal parts. Thank you friends.